Ever woken up with a jolt, heart pounding, because you realized you forgot to pay a crucial bill? Or maybe you found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money vanished. If you're nodding along, chances are you've considered switching banks. And if Neon was your chosen financial partner, you might be wondering, how on earth do I ditch this neon dream? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of closing your Neon account, let's talk about why you might want to. Maybe you're chasing better interest rates, craving more branches, or simply desiring a change of scenery. Whatever your reason, it's your money, and you have the right to choose where it resides. So, you've made the decision. You're ready to bid adieu to Neon. First things first, you'll want to check your balance. Make sure there's nothing lingering there that you need. Remember, closing your account essentially means saying goodbye to that money, so tidy things up before you pull the plug. Next, consider any standing orders or direct debits. You wouldn't want your rent or gym membership to bounce, would you? Redirect those funds to your new financial home. And while you're at it, check for any saved card details. You might have auto-filled your Neon card for online shopping. It's a good idea to update those. Once you've cleaned house, it's time to contact Neon. Most banks have dedicated customer service lines for account closures. Arm yourself with your account number, any relevant identification, and perhaps a reason for leaving. Some banks might try to persuade you to stay, so be prepared for a bit of back and forth. Now, here's a tip: don't just hang up after closing the account. Follow up with an email or letter confirming the closure. Keep a copy of this correspondence for your records. This might sound overly cautious, but when it comes to your money, it's always better to be safe than sorry. What about your Neon card? Should you cut it up, or will the bank do it for you? Generally, the bank will deactivate the card, rendering it useless. However, for peace of mind, you can always give it a good old snip. After the account is closed, you might wonder about your credit score. Will closing a bank account hurt it? The short answer is, usually not. But if you've had the account for a long time and have a good credit history with them, it might cause a slight dip. So, there you have it. Closing a bank account, while not the most exciting task, doesn't have to be a headache. With a bit of planning and organization, you can wave goodbye to Neon and embark on a new financial chapter. But remember, this is just a general guide. Banks have their own procedures, so always refer to Neon's specific guidelines. And if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.